The for loop is a structure that lets us loop through an object, such as a string.
This video is brought to you by OppiePie's Academy.
So if we create a string, we can actually use the for loop to loop through it a letter at a time. Let me show you an example. Let's say for letter in, and then we have the string learn to program, just like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to print each letter like this. So letter in the for loop becomes a variable, and each one of these will be letter. So first time through the loop, that's letter, then E is letter, then A, then R, then N, then the space, and we'll print them all out. Let's go ahead and try our little program here. So we'll save this, of course, in my desktop Python folder, and I'm simply going to call this forloop.py. And let's go ahead and bring up our command line, and let's execute the program. There we go. And so we're going to move from the desktop to the Python folder, and now use the Python command to run the program, which I called for loop. And there you see it loops through the entire string, LEARN, then a blank for the space, TO, program. So it loops through the entire string object. Now, this works with other types of objects as well. So, for example, let's say we had a list. And we're going to talk more about lists later on in the course. But let's say we have a list of bands. And the format for a list is like this. So let's say we have Journey, REO Speedwagon, Styx, Kansas. Now notice how this is formatted differently than a regular string, right? We've got in here a number of values for bands. So the list bands contains all of these strings. Let's get one more band up here. Let's do Scandal, old Patti Smythe band. All right, so there we've got our list of bands. Now, what we could say is for, and then our variable is going to be band in bands. So this is a little confusing, but we're going to iterate through on band. So the first time through the loop, Journey is assigned to band, and then REO Speedwagon, Styx, Kansas, etc. So then if we simply print band, it's going to print out the name of each band. So again, let's save our document. You can use File and Save, or Command S on the Mac, Control S on the PC. And let's bring up our terminal. Now, if I just hit the up arrow, it'll show me the last command I ran, which was Python forloop.py. Let's run it again and see our bands. So it still executes the learn to program part, but then we see Journey, REO Speedwagon, Styx, Kansas, The Police, and Scandal. So it iterates right through our list, which can be extremely convenient. So for loops are another common type of loop used with the Python programming language.